Good morning, cadets.
Good morning, ma'am.
Fine, you're all
Ma'am.
yeah.
Not you.
Taking up the chapter, the cop and the anthem. We'll be taking up the exercise. Answer the following questions. So one of you should volunteer and speak. Yes, Shreyas and Nitish, what is the issue? Your hands are raised. Question number 1. What are some of the signs of approaching winter referred to in the text? Who will answer it?
Ma'am, I'm cadet. Preet, can I answer?
Yeah,
Ma'am,
please.
I'm Cadet Akash Arjungi.
Okay.
The signs of approaching winter are birds had begun to fly south and people seemed to want new warm clothes. The dead leaves covered the ground. This was the signs of approaching winter.
Okay. Second, right, true or false? Soapy did not want to go to the prison. True or false?
False.
Everybody wants to. Everybody's answer is correct. Soapy had been to prison several times.
True.
Okay.
Ma'am.
True, ma'am. True.
It is not possible for Soapy to survive in the city throughout the winter. True.
True, ma'am.
Yeah. Soapy hated to answer the questions of personal nature. What was Soapy's first plan? Why did it not work?
Can I tell
Sophie's
Tell ma'am Akash Arjungi.
Can I tell ma'am?
nicely.
Sophie was planned to.
Question number 3. What was Soapy's first plan? Why did it not work?
His first plan was he would go to eat at a restaurant and would tell them he had no money. They would call cops and would arrest him. But as soon as he kept his feet inside restaurant, waiters blocked his entry because of his worn shoes.
Very good. Repeat the answer.
His first plan was he would go to eat at restaurant and
Yeah,
would
Soapy
tell them
planned to eat in a posh restaurant.
yes, ma'am.
Continue.
They would call cops and would arrest him.
Okay.
But as soon as he kept his foot inside the restaurant, waiters blocked his entry because of his foreign shoes.
And
Hello, ma'am?
his torn shoes and bad clothes, dirty clothes.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So the answer is clear to everybody. Question number 4. But cop's mind would not consider Soapy. What did the cop not? Why? What did the cop not consider and why? Akash, where are
Ma'am?
you? Yeah.
Ma'am, the cop did not consider that Soapy could have broken the window of the shop. He did not consider him because men who break windows would not stop to talk to cops.
Excellent.
They would run away as
Yeah.
fast as they could. On the other hand, Soapy was standing right there. The cop then saw a man further along the street running and he ran after him, thinking that he was the culprit.
Okay. Repeat it once again. Very good answer.
The cop did not consider that Soapy could have broken the window of the shop. He did not consider him because men who break windows would not stop to talk to cops. They would run away fast as they could. On the other hand, Soapy was standing right there. The cop then saw a man further along the street running, and he ran after him, thinking that he was the culprit.
Next question. We have orders to let them shout. What is the police referring to?
Yes, ma'am. The policeman means to say that he had got orders to not arrest the shouting college students, ma'am.
Okay. So the policeman is referring to the college boys who had liberty or freedom to shout on that particular day. They were not supposed to be arrested. Okay. Now let's go to true and false. Soapy stole a man's umbrella.
It is true, ma'am.
True, ma'am.
True.
Yes, ma'am, it is true.
The owner of the
False, ma'am.
umbrella
It is true,
offered
ma'am.
to give it to Soapy.
True.
True,
True, ma'am.
False, ma'am.
True, ma'am. True.
Can I tell, ma'am? Because
True. The man had stolen the umbrella that was now Soapy's.
True.
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 Yes,
True,
ma'am,
ma'am.
it is
True.
true.
true, ma'am. True.
True.
So
Is it
Soapy
true?
threw away the umbrella.
True. True.
Yes, ma'am, it is
True,
true.
ma'am.
He threw the umbrella as far as he could.
Okay. First one. Seventh question. There was a sudden and wonderful change in the soul. What brought about the change in Soapy? Yes. Sutej, answer the question.
Ma'am, there was a sudden and wonderful change in his soul.
Snow cop came at end, then Soapy's life at winter, he would be working out at he would be working hard at its work at his workplace and
Can I
gaining
tell?
money.
Yes, sir. So there was a sudden and wonderful change in the soul of Soapy after seeing his orphanage. He remembered how he was so good and all. At that time, there was a sudden and wonderful change in his soul. And what brought him? He thought that he was basically a good person, but circumstances made him bad for a while. Now let us go for the topics of discussion. Suppose
Ma'am,
suppose no cop came at the end. What would Soapy's life be like through the winter?
Ma'am.
Bye-bye.
At the end, Hemant, ma'am.
Please, Hemant, answer it.
At the end, if cop will not come, if cop should not come, Soapy will be happy and he should work hard work. In the hard work, he should in the winter it is very cold. He should hard work and work in any factory or job.
Okay, Ashwini, start answering. Ashwini.
Yes.
Please answer.
Sophie's life would have been very difficult in the winter. He did not have a house and food.
Suppose no cop came in the end, what would Soapy's life be? That is the question. You are answering it in a wrong way. Answer it properly. Because the
Ma'am,
cop...
can I?
Yeah, please.
Ma'am, can I, Shivanand?
Yeah, please, Cadet Shivanand.
Ma'am, as per me, when the co-op didn't came at the end, Soapy's life would be very joyful as he already knew a man who would offer him a job. He would search that man and start his own work and hard money, earn from it and make his own house.
Yeah, life would have been different if the cop would have not come at the end. He would have,
Yes,
his
ma'am.
soul had already undergone a change. So he would have become a different person. He would become hardworking. He would have gone for a job. He would have lived a straightforward life. But because the
And he would be respected in the society also.
respectable citizen of the society, very good. So now let us focus on the second question. Retell an episode in the story which is a good example of irony in a situation. Suhana.
Yes, ma'am. Soapy was keen to be sent to prison for the 3 cold months. He made several attempts to get arrested, but none of his plan worked. Finally, when he decided to live a decent life, honestly, he was arrested. Such an episode is ironic.
Yeah, so what is an irony? Yes, sir. What is an irony?
The expression of one's meaning by using language that normally signifies the opposite, typically
Yes,
for
sir.
humorous and emphatic effect.
Yes, sir. So it is spoken in an opposite way, so as it does not hurt, but the message is conveyed that you are late for the class. I told you, if at 11 o'clock you join this class, which is supposed started at 10:30, and I say you are early for fourth period, that means I am trying to tell you that you are late in my class by half an hour. That is the meaning. Suhana, explain it once again.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now tell me what is the episode in the story. Now everybody understood what is an irony. Now let us find out the episode. Read it once again, Suhana.
Okay, ma'am. Sophie was keen to be sent to prison for the 3 cold months.
Yes.
He
So
made several attempts to get arrested, but none of his plans worked. When he decided to live a decent life, honestly, he was arrested. Such an episode is ironical.
Yes. Now what you call Soapy wanted to go to jail. Many plans he made, all failed. Finally, when he saw his orphanage, he was a changed man. So he thought that no more bad ways. I will become a good person. But the irony is that in the end, he is caught by the cop and taken to Blackwell prison when he wants to become a good person. Everybody understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We understood. When it is opposite, when things happen opposite to what we expect. So Soapy in the beginning of the story makes plan that I will spend my whole winter in the Blackwell prison, and he tries different plans, but all failed. Finally, when he comes near the orphanage, he feels that I should become a good person, and he decides to take up a job and all these things. But by that end, what happens is cop comes and arrests him. So it is an irony.
Ma'am, it is as good as a twist in the story.
Yeah, twist in the story. Answer the following questions. We are just doing it for you the second time, so you get it thoroughly. What are the signs of approaching winter? So birds will fly towards south. People will come up with their warm clothes. These are the signs that winter is approaching. Leaves will fall down. Second question. Write true or false against each of the following. Soapy did not want to go to prison. It is false. He wants desperately to go. Soapy had been to prison several times. True. It was not possible for Soapy to survive in the city throughout the winter. True. He cannot survive there on that bench. Soapy hated to answer questions of personal nature. True. That is why he is ready to go to jail, but not to his friends and relatives. Next question. What was Soapy's first plan? Why did it not work? Soapy decided to have dinner in a posh restaurant where best people with best clothes and best food is served. But it did not work because of his dressing, that is torn clothes and torn footwear. But the cop's mind would not consider Soapy. What did the cop's mind not consider and why? So the cop's mind did not consider Soapy because he volunteered that I have done the crime. I have broken the glass window. And cop thought that a person will not volunteer after committing all these types of mistakes. So he did not consider Soapy. We have orders not to let them shout. What is the police referring to? Soapy was desperate to get arrested, so he started shouting. And on that particular day, college boys had liberty and freedom to shout. So the police was not arresting them on that particular day. Write True or false? Soapy stole a man's umbrella. True. The owner of the umbrella offered to give it to Soapy. True. The man had stolen the umbrella that was now Soapy's. True. Soapy threw away the umbrella. True. There was a sudden and wonderful change in his soul. What brought about the change in Soapy? Soapy was basically not a bad person. Circumstances had made Soapy like that. When he saw his old orphanage, there was a sudden and wonderful change in his soul. This is because Soapy thought that he should earn properly, he should become a good person, he should live his life honestly and lead a life on a right path. So there was a change. Suppose no cop came at the end, what would Soapy's life be like through the winter? If the cop had not come, Soapy would have become a wonderful person because he had decided to go to a man who had offered him a job. He would take up the job and mend his bad ways and become a good person. Retell an episode in which the story, the example of irony. The whole story is an irony and it's beautifully written by the author because the hero of the story, Soapy, wants to go to Blackwell prison to spend his winter. And he makes good plans, but hard luck that all the plans failed. And by the end of the evening, he reaches his old orphanage, and there is a sudden and wonderful change in his soul. He thinks to give up all these bad ways and become a changed person to earn his own bread and butter. But suddenly the cop turns up and there is a twist in the story. Soapy is arrested and taken to the jail. So this is a perfect example of irony. Please start.
Yes, ma'am. Summary of the
Cadet
chapter
Supreet.
4. I am Cadet Supreet. Now I am going to tell the summary of the chapter 4 of the Alien Hand, the Cop and the Anthem. The signs of the winter was approaching. The birds had begun to fly south and people started wearing warm clothes. The dead leaf on the ground, the dead leaf covered the ground. This made the signs of winter approaching. The Soapy was restless because in this winter he had no home and warm clothes. He thought to get a free lodging where he could stay warm and be safe. He made an idea and thought of going to prison on Blackwell Island. Then he thought of planning how to go to the prison as it was very far from his place in the park. Soapy's first plan was to eat a good dinner in some restaurant and refused to pay money. So the waiter would call the cop and he would be arrested. And the judge would tell him 3 months of Blackwell Island.
Blackwell prison.
Blackwell prison, of Blackwell prison. Then, as per his plan, he went to a restaurant. He thought his shoes would be hidden under the table while sitting. When the waiter saw near the door, he refused Soapy to let him inside because his shoes were torn. He looked dirty.
Tone.
His shoes
R
were
is silent.
torn.
R is silent.
His shoes were torn and he looked dirty. Unluckily, his first plane failed.
Plan. Which plane? Plan.
Ma'am, plan.
Yeah.
His first plan was failed.